Problems of water management and remedial steps in our country. Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to speak on a very important topic, problems of water management and the remedial steps in our country. Water is life. Every drop counts. Yet, despite knowing this, we are facing a serious water crisis. India, with nearly 18% of the world's population, has only about 4% of the world's freshwater resources. This imbalance has made water management one of our biggest challenges. Let's begin by understanding the problems we face. The first and foremost problem is uneven distribution of water. Some regions, like the northeastern states, receive heavy rainfall, while others, like Rajasthan and parts of Gujarat, remain arid for most of the year. This inequality leads to floods in one area and droughts in another. The second major issue is overexploitation of groundwater. With increasing population and urbanization, people have dug deeper and deeper bore wells, extracting groundwater faster than it can be replenished. In many parts of India, the groundwater table has gone down alarmingly. Third, there is pollution of water bodies. Our rivers, lakes, and ponds have become dumping grounds for industrial waste, sewage, and plastic. The holy river Ganga itself, which is worshipped by millions, struggles with high levels of pollution. Fourth, inefficient irrigation practices also waste a lot of water. Agriculture consumes nearly 80% of our freshwater resources, yet traditional methods like flood irrigation cause massive wastage. Many canals leak or evaporate before the water even reaches the fields. Fifth, poor infrastructure and management add to the problem. In cities, old and damaged pipelines lead to leakage and loss of treated water. In rural areas, lack of proper storage systems means rainwater goes uncollected and wasted. And finally, climate change is making things worse. Irregular monsoons, rising temperatures, and changing weather patterns all affect water availability and distribution. Now that we've seen the problems, let's talk about remedial steps, what we can and must do to manage our water resources better. The first step is rainwater harvesting. Every building, school, office, and home should have a system to collect and store rainwater. This simple method can recharge groundwater and reduce dependence on other sources. The second is recycling and reuse of water. Treated wastewater from industries and cities can be reused for gardening, cleaning, or even irrigation. This helps reduce the pressure on freshwater sources. Third, we need to promote drip and sprinkler irrigation in agriculture. These modern techniques use water efficiently and ensure that plants get just the right amount they need. The government should support farmers with subsidies and training for these systems. Fourth, river linking and watershed management can help balance water availability. By connecting surplus river basins with deficit areas, we can transfer water where it's needed most. Similarly, conserving local watersheds, like ponds, lakes, and wetlands, helps maintain the water cycle naturally. Fifth, strict laws against water pollution should be enforced. Industries must treat their waste before releasing it into rivers. Public awareness campaigns can encourage people not to dump garbage or chemicals into water bodies. Sixth, community participation is vital. Local people, NGOs, and government bodies must work together. When citizens take ownership of water bodies in their areas, the results are always better and more sustainable. And finally, education and awareness play a key role. Schools should teach water conservation as a part of everyday learning. When young people understand the importance of saving water, they become responsible citizens and changemakers. In conclusion, water management is not just the government's responsibility, it is everyone's responsibility. We must remember that every drop saved today is a step toward a better tomorrow. If we continue to misuse and neglect this precious resource, the future generations will have to pay the price. Let us pledge to use water wisely, to protect our rivers, and to preserve this gift of nature. Because saving water means saving life itself. Thank you.